Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be telling you or talking to you on how you can go about the Instagram challenge required message that you may receive on your Instagram application. Okay, so let's assume you're on your Instagram application, you're scrolling, then as you're scrolling you get a message saying challenge required. So the main cause of this problem is one, it's your network problem. Okay, so what you need to do, if at all you're using cellular data, as you can see I'm using mobile data, please turn off the mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi connection. Okay, and vice versa, if you're using Wi-Fi connection, please turn off Wi-Fi connection, then switch to mobile data. Okay, if these two don't work for you, please first turn on airplane mode. As you can see, turn on airplane mode, then after a few minutes switch off airplane mode, then switch back your mobile internet. Okay, so if you do that, trust me, your Instagram application will go back to normal and you won't receive any of those messages saying challenge required. You won't receive any of those messages. So that's how to go about such a problem, guys. So hope we shall meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.